Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can be an imposter in Among Us. Now there is not like 100% way you guys can become an imposter because Among Us selects one random person to be an imposter from within the total number of player. So if you're selected randomly, then the chances of you becoming an imposter is good. If you're not, it's bad. But there are some settings which you guys can change in order to make the chances of you becoming an imposter increase. For that, you need to click on play and click on online. Now let's say you want to create a game, and in that game you want to be an imposter. For that, you need to click on create game and over here choose 3, which means this game is going to have total 3 number of imposter. Once you choose 3, make sure you choose 9 over here, which means there's going to be 9 number of players, and within 9 number of players there's going to be 3 imposter, which means your chance of becoming an imposter is high over here. Because if the imposter was 1 and it was 15, that means from all these people only 1 person is going to be an imposter, which means your chance of becoming an imposter over here is really low. So make sure you select 3 and make sure you select 9 and it's going to be done. Your chance of becoming an imposter is really high. And if you want to join a public game as well, you need to do the same thing. Click on find game. Over here, make sure 3 is selected. Once 3 is selected, click on this reload button. And from over here, join the game which has the least number of player. So I need to join a game over here where it says 7. Which means out of 7 people, 3 people are going to be chosen imposter. Which means my chance of becoming an imposter is high over here. So the more the player, the less the chance of you becoming an imposter. Alright? I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.